In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gemini AI with Google Apps, Workspace, YouTube, Maps and more. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confidently grant the right permissions so Gemini can work seamlessly with the Google services you use every day. First, open your Gemini account. Launch Gemini in your browser or the official app and sign in to the Google account you want to use. If you're using a work or school account, make sure your organization allows app connections. Some admins restrict integrations. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner of the interface for the gear icon or a settings option. Click Settings to open all the controls that let you personalize how Gemini behaves. Inside Settings, find and click Connected Apps. This is the central place where you can link Gemini to Google Workspace tools like Drive, Calendar, Docs, and Gmail, as well as services such as YouTube and Maps, plus other supported applications. Think of this page as your integration hub. It shows what's available, what's already linked, and gives you fine-grained control over what Gemini can access. On the Connected Apps page, simply toggle on the switch next to the app you want to connect. The moment you turn it on, Gemini will guide you through on-screen prompts. Follow those prompts carefully. Typically, you'll be asked to choose which Google account to use, review the permissions being requested, and confirm access. Read each permission line so you understand what Gemini will be able to see or do, whether that's reading your calendar events to help schedule, accessing Drive files to summarize documents, or viewing your YouTube channel data to manage playlists or insights. Only grant what you're comfortable sharing. If you connect Maps, Gemini can reference locations and directions to make recommendations more relevant. With YouTube, it can help surface content or manage watch lists. With Google Workspace apps like Drive and Calendar, Gemini can save you time by drafting summaries, finding files faster, or organizing events. The key is that these connections let Gemini act with your permission to bring the right information into your conversations. If you ever see a consent screen, take a moment to confirm it matches your intent. If you change your mind later, you can return to this Connected Apps page and toggle an app off to revoke access at any time. That's it. Open your Gemini account, go to Settings, head into Connected Apps, toggle on the services you want, and follow the prompts. With those simple steps, you'll unlock powerful, privacy-aware integrations that help Gemini work smarter across Google Workspace, YouTube, Maps, YouTube, Maps, and more.